Hello. In this in a hospital, it is very common that we need to generate bills, and these bills should be very well integrated with the financial models or the different financial accounts. So it will be automatically reflect in the financial account, so that you can using this you can reduce the different paperworks as well as the different manual works, so that it will be affected. It will be reflected in the different account automatically. So if you go into the if you just choose that invoice for which the patient bill was generated. So as soon as I'll open this, so it got populated over here, that particular bill. From here you can see that bill of that patient. I've populated a bill record for a particular patient called John D'Souza over here. So you can see that bill which we have already seen in the last presentation in another demo, and this is a bill which we have populated over here. So using this you can see that these are the different account which got affected with this bill. So if you click on this particular account, you can see the details of that particular account. So here from here you can see that what type of account got affected here. If you This is the different accounts which is basically this hospital is maintaining. Here you can see the balances or the balances in this account. If you click on this again balances, you can see the different transaction happened on this particular account, on for which date and which type of documents or which type of bills was created for this account, in this account. So here you can see that different patient IDs here like P100, P1, then different with the all the charges involving all the charges at the same time. And here you can see the date, the posting dates of that different documents. And here you'll be able to choose any particular transaction. If you want to see a transaction which was happened on suppose 21st of September, so you can click on that link, and this the journal entry, this is basically the core accounting entry which was happened on this particular transaction. So you can have a look on those journal entries as well. So these accounts, so as you have seen that first time you have seen that the bill, so it is all those these things or all those financial transaction, financial models or functionalities are well integrated with one another. So you can navigate from one functionality to another functionality depending on the authorization of that particular user. So you can have a look on those, or you can keep track of those transactions. You can keep eye on those transactions, and you can see what type of accounts are going to be affected and what is the basic balance of that account. As you have seen for 21st of September, the journal entry, that is a accounting journal entry was, and it was a core accounting document basically. If you want to see the what type of document or what type of bill was produced for that on 21st of September, so you can see that this is the bill, or this is the no, bill was generated for this particular patient with ID P10051, and here you can see that this is status as closed, which means that the patient has already paid for this amount, and this is the date. So here if you go into the accounting section, here from you can see that this is the journal entry. If you click on this, so system will again populate that journal entry, the financial journal entry for that patient. So these are, as you can see, this is the well integrated with one another. If you go into the customer, if you want to see that particular patient's record, you can see that patient record as well for this patient. And similarly at the same time, if you move into again move back to the that number of transaction, if you go into this details, if you want to see it again those transactions or different transactions, so you can have a look on those, that bill which we have lastly generated in another demo. If you want to have a look on that patient record, you can see that patient's record. This is the account balance for this particular, this is the remaining balance or outstanding bill for this patient. If you want to generate a graphical report for all the transaction or the financial transaction happened on this patient, so you can see a graphical report. So according to, depending on the different graphs you can capture like this, you can different type of graphical reports you can generate, so it will be populated over here automatically. So this was basically the financial different integration of different financial functionalities with the billing module of SAP IHMS software.